Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's an introduction to data validation. What is data validation? It's a means to restrict data entry. Let me guide you through the data validation process. We have about 7 or 8 examples. So the first 2, I'll be rather detailed, and then I'm going to allow you to process this on your own. In other words, go through the data validation process. Data validation is located in the ribbon under data. Right here, data validation. What's so special about data validation? In this particular case, we have lettuce, we have a produce, and we have quantity. We want to make sure whoever's entering this information that they only put numbers and no other extraneous information or analysis. Excel has a variety of number-specific data validation rules. This section describes how to establish a custom validation rule based on a custom formula. Using data validation with custom formula based on ISNUMBER, you will restrict a cell to only accept numbers. ISNUMBER C5. That's all we're doing. We're not doing anything special here. You can read this, but I'm going to tell you. I'm going to translate this into practice. We're going to go to data validation. Before you do this, you have to pick the area or the range that you want this to apply. But I'm going to give you just a little cheat. This is what you do. You grab this, whatever you want to implement. You're going to state all I want are numbers, so you can use this formula. So hit Control C, hit Escape, highlight this range, hit Data Validation, and here, I'm a little ahead of the game here, but you're going to hit Settings. Then under Settings, you're going to have a lot of choices. Hit Custom. Then in the formula, hit Control V. Apply these changes to the range. Then this entire range will be protected from anyone trying to put in anything other than a number. I'm going to hit Cancel because it's already in place. I'm going to put in red. There's your data validation. You cannot put anything but numbers in there. Let's go back to data validation. Data validation. We have this formula in place, but you can input messages. When message is selected, show this input message. Title, input message. You can put whatever you want in here. Error alert, you can say when user enters invalid data, stop. Then you can put numbers only. And your error message, you can just say enter number only. Hit that, type in red, and it says enter numbers only. Original, but you get the point. Cancel, go back in, because I really don't care if there's a message or not. I'll leave it there. Does that apply to each cell? This value doesn't match the value validation. If you want this to apply, in other words, if you want that message to apply, highlight the range, data validation, rather parochial. Sorry, it is what it is. This is the challenge sometimes. Go cancel. Sometimes this is just what pisses me off about trying to input this thing. Nothing is easy with Excel, but you get the point. If you want to put your error message in there, then you may have to do it individually. I'm not going to do it. That's pretty much ISNUMBER combined with data validation. So Brad Williams, Excel Primed, we're out.